is Olga Van Light, and today is my first try to shave the ice, and I'm actually planning on adding some tangerine juice inside. So let's see. Look, in a couple of seconds we have almost a jar full of ice, which is great for all kind of parties. So let me actually flavor it with some tangerine juice. And look how festive it is already. Of course, you can also use some syrup as well. And yes, let me actually try it. So delicious and healthy. You know what idea I've got? Next time I'm actually going to freeze the juice and then I'm going to shave the juice itself. How cool is that?